I'm up here in Toano at Homestead Nursery, this garden center up here in Toano, and we just built a 6-foot pondless stream right next to all of their plants, just as a demo, something that people can come out and see and got to get a feel for what water gardens are like. So I want to take you guys on a quick tour of the garden center, just show you some of the plants they have right now, but also show you guys this little water feature we just put in. So they're getting ready to mulch and plant around it, but Evan was up here earlier this week and built this little 6-foot pondless waterfall. So there's a basin down in here. It's got 3 17-gallon aqua blocks and then a pondless vault, and it just has a pump down, all hidden, and it circulates all the way up to the top and just comes right back down. So just the water is constantly cycling and just gives the sound and the feeling of a babbling brook. So like I mentioned, they're gonna do a little bit of landscaping around this feature with a lot of the plants that they have here at the garden center. And right now it's a little bit empty, even though there's a lot of plants here. It's a little bit empty, but they are getting ready to get their fall stock in. So they're gonna have mums and pansies. They're gonna have all kinds of fall color. You can see the salvia, the rudbeckia, all kinds of unique plants. Not too much on the shrub side here. It's mostly perennials and annuals here, but still things you can just plug right into your garden, add a little bit of color, bring the pollinators right into your space. That's why it's a perfect add-on for a water feature. So we put the water feature right here because when you have the flowing water and then you add the perennials right next to it, it just gives a place for all those pollinators, the caterpillars, the butterflies, the bees, the wasps even, for them to kind of come, have water, even dragonflies, get a drink, and also get some pollen or nectar. But thanks for watching, guys. We're pretty excited to see how this turns out. This fall, when it's got all the fall plants around it, it's really gonna be spectacular. But I really encourage you guys to come out here, check out this garden center, check out the plants that they have, the selection they have, especially this fall. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.